The human heart is the tomb of many feelings. Dreaming is the poetry of life, and we must be forgiven if we indulge in it little. The world is not ruled by power and the fear which power produces, it's ruled by love. Beginnings are always messy. Life's one long temptation. These lines are penned by famous author John Galsworthy. Today I'll be presenting the person who is not only a great English novelist but also a social reformer and a philanthropist. He was full of humanism. He was a very kind hearted person. He is one of my favorite novelists. Hello everyone, I am Neelam. In this video, we are going to discuss the Nobel Prize winner John Galsworthy, where we will go through some important events related to his personal and professional life. I am sure this video is going to be very beneficial to those who are preparing for TGT, PGT, NET, and any other English competitive exams. John Galsworthy was born on the 14th of August in 1867 in a Victorian mansion at Kingston Hill, Surrey in England. His father's name was also John Galsworthy. He was a practicing solicitor in London. His family was prosperous and well established with a large property. Galsworthy had a great respect and admiration for his father. His mother's name was Blanche Bailey, and she was a very religious lady. Ada Pearson Cooper was his wife. She was the one who created desire in him to write. She encouraged him in writing. They had no children, but they led a very happy life. At the age of 9, Galsworthy was sent to the Saugeen Preparatory School, a boarding school in Bournemouth. Then he joined famous public school at Harrow in 1881. There he did well in his studies, but he was not an outstanding scholar. He was famous as an athlete and runner. He was captain of his school football team. From Harrow, he went to Oxford University. He graduated with honours in law from New College in 1889. He had the best education available in England. Let's look at some facts about his life. Friends, Galsworthy was a very wealthy man. He got the best education, but had no arrogance. His perception towards life was very simple. He always showed sympathy towards destitute. He set an example by serving people in a hospital in France for some months. When he was in school, he had no interest in literary pursuit. Nobody knew that one day he would become a successful novelist and dramatist. Law courts were very boring to him. He knew all the legal procedures and he beautifully depicted court scene in many of his plays. Let's talk about some important events of his life. 10 years after Ada's divorce, they were married on 22 September in 1905 and stayed together until his death in 1933. It was Ada who built interest in him to write. Galsworthy started his career as a writer in 1895. The first volume of his stories, entitled From the Four Winds, appeared under the pseudonym John St. John in 1897. his first novel, Jocelyn, published in 1898. He published Isle and Pharisees in 1904 under his real name. Galsworthy's reputation as a novelist was established by Forsyte Saga. In 1912, he made a tour of slaughterhouses in England and wrote a report on the inhuman methods slaughtering animals. In 1916, Galsworthy and his wife worked in a hospital in France for some months. In 1918, he refused the offer of a knighthood. In 1921, he was elected the President of London. Selection of the PEN Club, an international body of poets, playwrights, essayists, and novelists. Galsworthy used to write fiction in the morning and drama in the afternoon. It was his habit to turn an old novel into a new play. His most plays based on social problem. Galsworthy died from brain tumor on the 31st of January in 1933 at the age of 65. At that time, he was staying at his London home. According to his will, his ashes were scattered to the wind. Premchand is a Hindi author. He was famous for his stories and novels. He wrote for a common man. He was so much influenced by John Galsworthy that he translated The Silver Box as Chandi Ki Dibbiya, Strife as Hartal, and Justice as Nyay. John Galsworthy was a prolific writer. He has written poetry, short stories, novels, and plays, but he is primarily known for his plays. Here is a list of some novels written by him. Jocelyn. It was the first novel of Galsworthy which was published in 1898. Fraternity was published 1909. The Dark Flower 1913. Freelance 1915. Awakening 1920. Beyond 1917. The White Monkey 1924. Silent Wooing 1927. Silver Spoon 1926. Passers-by 1927. Swan Song 1928. To Let 1921. Let's take a glimpse of some poems of him. Moods, Songs and Doggerels in 1912. Verses Old and New in 1926. From the Four Winds 1897. A Commentary 1908. A Motley 1910. Indian Summer of Forsyte 1918. The Five Tales 1918. On Forsyte Change 1930. The Bills of Peace 1921. The Forsyte Saga is a series of 3 novels and 2 interludes. It was published in 1922 by John Galsworthy. The Man of Property 1906, In Chancery 1920 and To Let 1921, including 2 interludes, Indian Summer of a Forsyte 1918 and Awakening 1920. The Forsyte Saga chronicles the lives of 3 generations of an upper middle class English family, similar to Galsworthy's family. He got the Nobel Prize for his work, The Forsyte Saga, in 1932. Galsworthy wrote a sequel to The Forsyte Saga. It was a modern comedy, which was published in 1929, comprising the 3 novels, The White Monkey 1924, The Silver Spoon 1926, and Swan Song 1928, along with the two interludes are Silent Moving 1927 and Passers-by 1927. Galsworthy wrote one more trilogy titled The End of the Chapter, which comprises Maid in Waiting in 1931, Flowering Wilderness 1932 and Over the River 1933. It was published in 1934 posthumously. These three trilogies, The Forsyte Saga 1922, A Modern Comedy 1929, The End of the Chapter 1934 are collectively known as the Forsyte Chronicles. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and do subscribe to my channel and share this video with all of your friends. If you have any query and doubts, write to me in the comments below. I will come back with some more videos.